everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will know how to write a notice. So what is a notice? Notice is a written or printed piece of information targeted to a specific group of people. It usually covers an event, an inauguration, a function, or general instructions. So, a well written notice must inform the readers about the 5 W's. So, first is what is going to happen, that is the event, where it will take place, the place, when it will take place, that is date and time, who can apply or is eligible for it, then whom to contact, that is the issuing authority. Now, notice is specific and concise, means brief. That is, it carries only relevant details in brief. And language is kept as simple as possible so that there is no possibility of misunderstanding in the reader's mind. A notice is a formal piece of writing, but care is taken to avoid a stiff tone. Now let us see how to write an effective notice. So first of all, make a rough draft before making a fair copy. Means you just see what points to be written in it. So first of all, write the name of the organization at the top in block letters. Then write the word notice, leaving one line, and then you put date on the top left. Then put heading and it should be eye-catching. Then you can write the message, the purpose, the venue, time, agenda, etc. in the body of the notice. Now, after that, writing the body, put the name of the issuing authority in parenthesis, or you can say the brackets below the signature. Use present or future tense according to the need in the body. Then the entire content should be placed within a box. The prescribed limit is 50 words, so don't exceed, and there is penalty for exceeding the word limit. Students should take care of it. Only the most important points should be written. And one is free to add any relevant information not included in the question. So if you find that some relevant information should be included which is not given in the question, you must include that. Then the sentences should be short and grammatically accurate. They should be in the passive voice as far as possible. So now let's see what is the format of a notice. So first of all, we draw a box. You will see that there is a box, and then you will write first of all at the top name of the organization. It should be in the block letters. Then second line notice in the center, and then next line the left side you write the date, and again the date should be in a proper format. Comes heading. Now it should be eye-catching, very short, like you can write the name of the event if it is essay writing competition, or if there is any meeting, so meeting of prefects or the monitors or the captains. Then comes body, and then the again left side you write the name of the writer who is issuing this notice, and then designation, like who is that person, whether it is a head girl, head boy, or any secretary of any club. So that is to be written. Now let us see a sample of a notice. So the question is, you are Rajini or Rajiv Kapoor, the secretary of the History Association of your school, that is AG Public School Mohali. You have been asked to announce an educational trip to some historical places. So draft a notice inviting the students to join it. Here in the sample also the name of the school was AG Public School Mohali, and just keep in mind that name of the place should also be in the same line. Then comes notice in block letters. Keep in mind, you cannot write in cursive, capital. It should be in block letters. Then date, like see 4th January. Then trip to Agra, that is heading. Trip to Agra, Jaipur. Now let us see one more sample. I hope you'll be able to write an effective notice now. Please watch the video once again. Keep practicing and goodbye.